Hi, I'm internet cook Adam Ragusea.
And I'm Lauren Morrill Ragusea.
Check out my new sponsored video about FTD flowers. We've been married about a dozen Valentine's days now, including the one that we just completed, and in that time I think we've amassed 4 pretty solid tips about how to have yourself a good big day and night. Tip 1 would be don't eat out. Give up on that idea. Don't eat out.
I have worked in a restaurant. Anyone who's worked in a restaurant will tell you it is a terrible night to go out. It's busy. The servers are tired. Nobody tips well.
Yeah, and certainly to all of my friends in the restaurant industry, I'm not trying to steal your business. You're going to have some business because not everyone is going to watch this video and not everyone is going to take our advice. But if you like lines and angry people and waiting, then go out to eat. If you like spending time with your intimate,
Oh.
No?
No.
Okay. All right. If you like having a lovely time with your partner, then stay home. It's fine. It's great here. Cook.
Yeah.
Tip number 2 would be get everything that you need in advance, and that includes flowers. Nice. All right, buddy, what should we get your mom? FTD Flowers offers handcrafted bouquets that are hand-delivered by a local florist and designed to deliver a wow moment. These are the You're Precious and Adore You arrangements.
They're beautiful. They feel of an occasion.
And especially, honestly, in winter.
That's true. When we lived in Boston and you used to have them delivered to my office, cold, damp, dark winter in my windowless office, and there would be this beautiful arrangement of flowers on the desk, and I loved that.
We have been married for an awfully long time, and therefore the getting of the flowers isn't really a surprise, which is why I tend to put a lot of time into the message that I send with them. I try to do something funny, and therefore the joke provides the element of surprise. You look pretty great for a very pregnant lady, though I'd never value you based solely on your appearance.
Or emphasize your motherhood over your other achievements. Love, Adam.
Woke joke. All right, if you want to know what I came up with for this year's bouquet, stick around to the end of the video. For now, just know that you can get 20% off your own bouquet at ftd.com by using my link in the description box. Order your flowers early and have them delivered early. That way you're not stressed out about trying to get everything together on Valentine's Day, and your beloved can enjoy them all week long. FTD helps you say more with flowers.
It's true.
This leads me to tip number 3. Do not stress yourself out by cooking anything remotely elaborate. All right, let's go to the grocery store.
Okay.
So some years I have made rather elaborate things for Valentine's Day dinner, and it was always a mistake because even if you nail it, you're gonna be kind of tired and stressed out by the time you're trying to sit down to your romantic dinner, and you're gonna have a kitchen full of dirty dishes, and you don't wanna be doing dishes after Valentine's Day dinner. No, please leave your shoes on, buddy. We gotta go in the store. This year I just did a quick, simple pasta dish that we both love. If you want to splurge on something, splurge on the wine, and I did splurge on the wine. But here's this pasta for 2. Step 1, get the kids in bed. Step 2, drop half a pound of dried pasta in salted boiling water. I'm doing penne. While it's cooking, you can peel and chop a few cloves of garlic, a stick of rosemary, and 3 or 4 slices of prosciutto. When the pasta is just barely done, drain the water and set the pasta aside. A little bit of olive oil goes into the still hot pot, maybe turn the heat down to medium, then drop in the prosciutto. Prosciutto is perfect for this. It cooks really, really quickly. Just wait until it starts to get kind of crispy, and then in goes the garlic until it's just starting to go golden. Then in goes the pasta, the rosemary, and then some chili flakes. If you want a slightly saucier texture, you can melt in a little bit of butter at the last second. And on the plate that goes, plenty of pecorino cheese grated over top, and that's a 15-minute one-pot dinner that goes great with a much more expensive bottle of wine.
Yeah! That's just how you always used to make it? I remember you made this for the first time in Bloomington, in our little galley kitchen, where you could put your arms out and touch both walls at the same time.
The 4th and final tip is, assuming your relationship is one that has a dude in it, don't make everything the dude's responsibility, because it's the 21st century.
It's true. I went to pick up the cake. I went to our friend Adriana, who is an amazing baker, and picked up your favorite cake, and one I enjoy too. What I like about Valentine's Day is just getting to relax and spend time together, so if you divvy up the responsibilities, neither one of you gets overly stressed and you can actually enjoy your meal.
Yeah, and it's not all about like one person performing for another.
Right.
It's spirit of collaboration, which is really what all of this is about, this marriage thing, FYI.
Turns out we're a team here.
All right, now for this year's bouquet message.
To our first Valentine's Day as an internet couple. If our on-screen marriage is like our real one, it'll be literally the best. But we need some internet children. We can adopt some from my comments section. Love Adam.
FTD helps you say more with flowers. This video was sponsored by FTD Flowers. Get 20% off yours with my link in the description. Order early so you can chillax and enjoy each other. Happy Valentine's Day, honey.
Cheers.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day, honey. Happy Valentine's Day. Sorry, that's funny.
Are you done?